Okay, so this is a audio test. I have the two front windows cracked. I hope everyone can hear me all right. We're just going for a little nighttime drive. Want to get out of the house, step away from work for a little bit. Traditionally, I would get a coffee at this hour, but 7:50 at night, trying to cut back on caffeine at odd ends of the day. We'll skip it. We'll just go for a little drive. And of course, I forgot my water. Nothing crazy. It's gonna be a more calm, peaceful drive. I just changed the transmission fluid, so about 150 miles ago. No noticeable difference. I mean, there was nothing wrong with it to begin with. It was just more preventative than anything else. But good to know that it's not getting worse. I changed the oil as well at 70K, just S's and G's at this point. We're just gonna do a big loop. See, that's a supercharger that just pulls when you want it to. It didn't cause any drama. Just picked up and got up and went. One thing I'm trying to figure out how to do is a good POV of me driving in the M4. I really don't want to. I'm not going to mount it on my hat and not be able to see and do anything crazy like that. Mainly because, well, when I drive the M4, I'm not driving it like I drive this. But, well, enough of me talking. Just enjoy the music and the road.
But you get me so high when I'm feeling.
Move like that. Yeah. 2 a.m. vibes, London light. Oh, yeah. Baseline, I be feeling in my chest. Flashlights moving, no time to rest. Eyes locked when you cross my way.
up here you may see me going obnoxiously slow, and it's only because there's a car that rolled over about a week ago on this road, so pups have been on it a little bit more lately. So it's annoying, but what else can you do? Trust me, this is an incredible straightaway. Ask me how I know.
Fill up the tub. I'm neck deep in your lies. I feel that you'll grow up soon as I leave with my pride. But I just wanna know, where does your love for me go? When you're laying with who knows? And I just wanna know, where do your feelings go? When you're laying with who knows? Where do they go? Where do they go? Where do they go? Where do they go? Now I'm 10 deep in the club. Hard to forget you, but I try. Can't admit you trip me up, and I just wanna know why. I just wanna know, where does your love for me go? When you're laying with who knows? And I just wanna know, where do your feelings go? When you're laying with who knows? Where do they go? Where do they go? Where do they go? Where do they go? I just wanna know, where does your love for me go? When you're laying with who knows?
I love the fact that it's 8 o'clock. It is still somewhat sunny outside. Summer is right around the corner. Now we just wait for the temps to come up here in New England, and it's going to be an incredible summer.
You only call when the night feels cold. Saying things that you never told. Tell me now, is it real or fake? Are you here just to numb the ache? We go back like a song on loop. Same old lines that we never prove. I fall in cause I know your game, but I still just say my name. Don't start what you can't finish. I'm not who I was last time. You love me when it's easy to pull back when I cross the line. You say it's just emotions and I can't let go. You only call when the night feels cold. Saying things that you never told. Tell me now, is it real or fake? Are you here just to numb the ache? We go back like a song on loop. Same old lines that we never prove. I fall in cause I know your game, but I still just say my name. Don't stop. Wait a second, so it flickering lights. Don't sweep. Go ahead, body's moving slow. You're right, said come closer. I know, no rush. Let the tempo lead. You touch, I breathe. That's all we need, no talking, just let it if you want me, show me. Stay with me, don't stop. Let the basic words start. You know how it's done. You know how it's done.
sunset POV drive. Bear with me while I fine tune the audio, the exact frame, and all that. You know, just getting used to it. I'm glad you could be part of the ride, and I look forward to many more drives with you guys.